I had a disaster. My washer broke. Ah, as it does, with a load of washing in. So I had to have a new one. Meet my new Beko, or Beko, or yeah. My old one was 7.5 kilogram. This one's an 8. My last one had a 1,800 spin. This one's 1,200. But you don't use the high spin that often anyway. Yeah, it's got its dial. You can do a quick wash and everything. Just the rinse, colours, all these things. There's a little thing here. It lights up apparently and tells me that I've put the right wash on, the right things. Yeah. The door is bigger, a lot bigger than my old one. So, hopefully, wow, I mean, look at that. I think my other one wasn't much bigger than the actual thing in this one. So, it'll be easier to get stuff in, hopefully. Well, should be. Yeah, so I thought I'd show you and do the maiden voyage. Because, yeah, need clothes. Yeah, it's a nice big drum. Pretty good. Yeah, it's a lot bigger. Why the one was this? So, I've sorted some washing. Lots and lots and lots. All colours. All mine. There we go. So, I better get loaded, hadn't I? I've checked all the pockets. And turned stuff inside out. I've already put, this is the drawer, I've already put stuff in there. Soap powder as well. Yeah. Wow, that is a lot easier. Normally I'd put them in one at a time. But, wow, look at that. That's good, isn't it? And yes. Oh, still got bits on it. Yeah, off the packaging, I presume. Right, so, peoples. They're just some tops. They're colours. I don't know what to do it on. It's got a lot more options. Shall I try the quick one and see how long it takes? I think I will. So that's on and off. So there, that's a quick wash. Spin, time. Start and pause. Oh, it's put a 1,800 spin on. I wonder if I can reduce that. Oh, yeah. It's okay, because they're my fluffy jumpers and my t-shirts. So I don't want them to go ballistic, do I? Start and pause then. So here we go for the maiden voyage. Let's hope there's no leaks. Oh, yeah. It's flashing. Oh, also on this one, the handle's up here. They're normally there. That one's there. And is it starting? Have I paused it? Be careful when you press the button, don't press it twice, because then you pause it so it doesn't go. Right then. I'm not going to leave you sitting here watching my washing go around. Shouldn't do your dirty washing in public. So, here we go, it's spinning. Right. So, right, that's it. Seems to be okay. It's not too noisy either. Right then, see you later.